Let's take a look at an example where the result has a remainder that's not 0. So right away I'm going to think about my dividend as 1x to the fourth plus 0x to the third, there's no x cubes, plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. We're going to set up a synthetic division problem. Set up your long L. And now I notice that my divisor, since it's a plus 2, I'm going to write a negative 2 out front. That's just the process that we use. Now I'm going to copy all my coefficients from the dividend. 1, 0, 3, negative 7, 1. I'm going to begin my process, bring down the first number and rewrite it. And then we're going to multiply by the outside negative 2. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Write that underneath your next number. And then we're going to add 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. Now we're going to multiply that by the outside number. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Then we're going to add 3 and 4, which gives us 7. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. And negative 7 plus negative 14 is negative 21. Negative 21 times negative 2 is a positive 42. And then when I add 1 to it, I get 43. And that's my remainder. So how do we think about our final answer? So I'm going to start with the negative 21. That's still my constant. It's no variable. The 7 is my x term. The negative 2 is my x squared term. And the 1 is an x to the third power. That's my x cubed term. So my final answer, which I pretty much have written out, is x to the third. I don't need to write the coefficient if it's 1. Minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 21. And then the question becomes, how do I deal with this 43 remainder? We recall that we're still trying to divide the remainder by our divisor, which was x plus 2. So my final term is really going to be a fraction. So I'm going to write plus 43 divided by x plus 2. And I am done.